So I wanted to show you how you can use dividends to eventually pay for something for the rest of your life. And in this case, I decided to go with Starbucks and a pretty popular drink they have over there, which looks to be the Venti Skinny Vanilla Latte. Now, for many of us, setting a goal too big can seem pretty daunting. We may not want to even get started. And as that old saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So this is kind of that single step in the direction toward building a powerful passive income stream. And it's pretty simple to do, but it is not going to be easy. Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. I've been a welder for over 20 years and a dividend investor since 2018. So getting that little bit of blue collar flavor coming at you, talking dividends. Now, Starbucks has that Venti Skinny Vanilla Latte, which currently costs about $4.65. The average US sales tax is 5.09%, which would make that about $4.89. So for simplicity's sake, and to cover a few of the higher tax states, we'll just round that up to $5. And when we do that, times that 52 weeks, we would need about $261 to cover one of those lattes a week for an entire year. Currently, Starbucks, ticker SBUX, pays $1.96 a share annually. Now, they are due for a dividend raise, which they have been increasing for over 10 years straight in September of 2023. And the last increase was 8.9% when the dividend went from 45 cents to 49 cents per share. So you can see that Starbucks likes to increase their dividend every year, and the next one should be about 4 to 5 cents per share. But for simplicity's sake, we're going to keep those dividends static and stick with the 49 cents a share. So if we divide that $261 target by $1.96, which remember is what they pay out annually, we would need about 133.16 shares of Starbucks. So as of this recording, a share of Starbucks is $73.39, which means that we would need about $9,772.61 to pay for those 113.16 shares of Starbucks. Now that's a lot of cash that you would need to pay up front to be able to get those Venti Skinny Vanilla Lattes for the rest of your life. So that's a big number, but is it worth it? I think so, and here's why. So keeping those numbers static, $9,772.61 buys 1,950 for Venti Skinny Vanilla Lattes at Starbucks, which is roughly 37 and a half years worth of Venti Skinny Vanilla Lattes, buying one a week. Now that's pretty good, but here's the thing. After you've bought those 37 and a half years, you will have nothing to show for it. You might have some memories, a few extra calories, but there is nothing left to show for all that money that you spent on those. But check this out. We would receive $1.96 from a share of Starbucks. If we bought that at $73.39, it would take about 37.4 years to receive all of our initial investment back. But remember, in the real world, Starbucks is going to be earning more money per share. As inflation rises, they will be charging more, so they will be increasing their dividend and hopefully continuing to pace inflation. So in reality, you're going to be getting that initial investment back much quicker. And once again, this is not factoring in any kind of taxes, where those shares were held, what kind of account they were held in, any stock splits, dividend increases, or capital appreciation, which is up 169% over the last 10 years. And the dividend has a 21% compound annual growth rate as well. Now that price chart was from Seeking Alpha, and I'd like to let you know that I am now an official affiliate for SeekingAlpha.com. And just in time, they're running a Memorial Day sale. So if you'd like 50% off, check it out for 7 days. I'll receive a small little old commission at no extra charge for you. Link in the description below. So I'd like to know from you, would it be worth paying cash for those 1,954 Venti Skinny Vanilla Lattes? Again, not factoring in those going up with inflation and you'll have to pay more money, or just paying that $9,772.61 upfront right now today, and you'll start receiving that money coming back, which one day you will have all of your initial investment back and the dividends will then be 100% free and clear. Let us know in the comments below. And if you missed the great dividend scavenger hunt challenge that I went on in Milwaukee at the Milwaukee Irish Fest, and you would like to join yours truly on that scavenger hunt, click the little box next to my head and let's get going. I will see you there.